Hey guys, I woke up lying around 9:50. My sister texted me, "Did you woke up?" But my mom and her has a meeting at work, and the two I have sleeping with me right now. It's my baby. My baby. My cute baby. So you're watching YouTube. He stepped over me. And you gotta do the whole spotlight here and that's like that, didn't you? Oh, stretch. But like I said, I'm not doing good at all. Someone pranked me and it. Here's a few things I don't tell people. I hate getting pranked. I hate getting tested. If you're gonna really see what happened last night on my last video, I'll show you. This is what happened last night. That's from last night. This is 2 days. You can see that one big one, but not a whole lot of the other ones. Yeah, I haven't been doing that good lately, guys. But getting more depressed. But here's the thing. I'm always depressed until Jonah texts me. My anxiety goes away. My depressed goes away. I stop cutting. But sorry, you guys. I'm sorry I'm not perfect in this one. I'm sorry that I'm saying that I'm not worth it. I'm sorry that I brought myself down all the time. I'm sorry I cut. Never all the time.